What's up everyone, it's Miggs back with another review, another video. So yeah, this is gonna be the sound test for the Vimo C. Testing 1 2 3. I got myself the C2 variation. It has 2 mics and yeah, the C1 only has 1. The C3 also has 2 mics, but it has the battery case. You know, when you have AirPods and stuff, it has like a case. We're currently on mono right now, so this is how it sounds. I have the mic currently on volume number 4, which is the max volume. But in return, I gone ahead and lowered the volume on the camera. So this is how it sounds like, 1 2 3. This doesn't have any filters. It's just the Comica and my Canon M50 over here. So testing 1 2 3. I don't know if you can hear the background noise right now and my fan and all of the other stuff going on in the background. Now I can make this light over here turn green by clicking it once, just like so. And I think it makes it like denoise, so it doesn't really get the background noise that much. So this is really good if you have a noisy background and you have a lot of things going on, but you wanted to focus on your voice. So yeah, testing 1 2 3. I can also mute this with one button, the power button. If I press it once, like very quick. Okay, unmuted now. So yeah, this is the Vimo C on mono mode. So I think I can set it to stereo over here. Now I switch it to stereo mode, so you can probably only hear one side right now currently, since I haven't turned on the other one over here. You will use stereo mode if you want to use 2 of these and be able to separate them later on. So let me turn this on so you guys just don't listen to one-sided. Okay, so yeah, right now I have 2 of them on. I don't know which one is responsible for the left, which one is responsible for the right. But yeah, this is the stereo mode. I can separate it later, so if I am interviewing someone, maybe he has the other mic, or there's 2 persons in the camera that you want to be able to hear using the Vimo C. So yeah, the stereo mode, that's where it comes in. So yeah, if you want to separate them later on, you can go ahead and do that, because it's on stereo mode, so you can just get the left side and then duplicate it, and then yeah, you know what I'm saying. Anyways, so I think I can also do ASMR here now. So hello. Testing. ASMR. Testing. This is the Vimo C, Comica Vimo C. I think that's enough. So other than stereo mode, we also have safety mode. What is safety mode? Now I'm not really sure what the safety mode does. Testing. Safety mode, huh? I'm not 100% sure what it does, but if you guys know what safety mode does, go ahead and comment it down below, because I don't really have any idea. Okay, I switched it back to mono mode. But if you have them on mono mode and you decided to use 2 of these, it's fine, but you won't be able to separate them later on in the editing process. So it's better if you just use the stereo mode if you're gonna use 2 of them. Now I have a dead cat over here. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on and see if it makes any difference on the sound quality. Testing without the dead cat. Testing 1 2 3. Now this is the mic with the dead cat or the windscreen. Testing. This is the Vimo C with the dead cat. 1 2 3. And I guess it really helps with the wind. So if I try blowing. Now let me try blowing without the dead cat. So yeah, if it's really windy, you would probably want to put this on. But anyways, I think it sounds better without it. I'm not sure, but okay. Now, according to my research, these transmitters or these mics lasts up to 8 hours. But if you have the battery case, it can last up to 20 hours. So yeah. Anyways, they're pretty easy to use, pretty straightforward. You just turn this on, turn that on, the receiver over here. I don't know if you can see it. It's connected in the camera right now, but this is what I'm using. Yes, sir. So you can see my volume over here, right? Yeah, I can adjust things over here. This is where I charge. I can change the mode by clicking this power button once, but if you want to turn it off, you click it for like 3 seconds. If I want to see it, but you know, I'm in a place where it's upside down, I can just hold it, the volume button, and it'll flip like that. You can also see if it's muted, so I'm gonna unmute this guy over here, and now both of them are working. Now let's go ahead and test its distance, I guess. The reason I bought this mic because I've been going farther and farther away from my camera, which made it harder for the mic to pick up my voice. I'm 130 centimeters away from the camera or the receiver, 51 inches, around like that. So, oh shoot, I'm now 100 inches away from the camera. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go farther and go out of my room. It should still be able to hear it, right? Hello, hello. Closing the door now. And I'm outside the room. Testing, testing. This is the Vimo C. Outside the room, 100 inches away. Yeah, I'm sure it can probably go farther and not really have any problems with it. But yeah, now I'm going in. And yeah, that should be it. How did that sound? Did it pick up my voice all the way from there? If I were to rate this mic, it'll be a 5/5 star for me. So yeah, really good mic. It's one of the cheapest on the market currently. And yeah, the necessary modes are there. Go ahead and subscribe and click the bell. It'll really help me. Hit the like button, it'll also really help me. If any of you guys have any questions, suggestions, comments, go ahead and feel free to comment it down below. I'll try to answer as much as possible and hopefully help you guys. I pray and hope that you found this video helpful and enjoyable. And yeah, don't forget to stay grateful, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.